In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Rednote app on your iPhone. If you prefer to use the app in a different language, this process is super easy. Let's get started. First, locate the Rednote app on your home screen. Once you have located it, tap to open it. After the app opens, you will be on the main screen of Rednote. To change the language, we'll need to go to the settings. For this, tap on this button at the top and tap on settings right at the bottom. Here, tap on general settings. You'll be seeing languages. Tap on there. Here you can choose from a variety of languages. Just tap on the language you prefer and it will instantly change the app's appearance. Once you select the language, the app will automatically switch to it. Now you can navigate through Rednote in your preferred language. And that's it, you have successfully changed the language on Rednote. It's that simple. If this tutorial helped, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more useful tips and tricks. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.